Have you ever come across those breathtaking visuals like mind maps, infographics, or flowcharts that leave you awestruck? The kind that makes you wonder how much time, effort, and creativity must have gone into creating them? Well, what if I told you that you could make such stunning visuals effortlessly in just a few minutes? Sounds like magic, right? But it's all thanks to AI. Today, I'm introducing you to an incredible tool called Napkin AI, which can turn your ideas into visually captivating content with almost no effort. Trust me, you're gonna love this one. First things first, head over to the Napkin AI website. I've shared the link in the description to make things easier for you. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials. It's super quick, and within moments, you'll find yourself on the home page. Now here's where the fun begins. Click on Create My First Napkin. It's like opening a blank canvas for your thoughts. You can either enter your own text content or let the AI do the work for you. Of course, I'll go with the AI option because why not? In just a few clicks, you can even select a pre-made template that fits your needs perfectly. And voila, within seconds, the content is ready. Now, before we dive into the exciting part of adding visuals, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support keeps me motivated to bring you amazing tools like this one. Done! Great! Let's move on. On the side of your text, you'll notice a sleek blue icon. Give that a click and prepare to be amazed. Napkin AI offers a variety of stunning visuals for you to choose from. Watch as your plain text transforms into something extraordinary, a visual masterpiece. It's quick, intuitive, and honestly kind of addictive. You can add as many visuals as you like, and if you want to collaborate or share ideas, there's even an option to leave comments directly on the visuals. It's perfect for teamwork or just adding those personal touches. And don't worry about keeping your creations to yourself. Hit that share button, and you can send your masterpiece to others in a snap. Or, if you'd rather keep it for yourself, you can download it as a PDF. Either way, Napkin AI makes it ridiculously easy to take your ideas and turn them into something that looks like it took hours of hard work. So, that's all for today's video. Let's keep the conversation going. Drop your thoughts, questions, or ideas in the comments section below. Until next time, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.